When Kael was 1 year old, like a baby,
Yeah.
I mean 2 years old, Kael got fever.
Yeah.
Sick, very sick. Oh. Very sick also.
The other tail.
The small Kael, the baby Kael.
The other tail is it.
Yeah,
The other tail. The other one.
yeah, the younger version Kael. The 2-year-old Kael.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were like this small, oh, like this small, Kael. You
Yeah.
were sick, and
This
then
is
yeah, and it was raining like this. Oh, thunder and rain. Yeah, and then you know what happened? The baby Kael very hot,
Yeah.
very fever, and crying.
Yeah.
And you know what Mama and Dada did? They put the tempra here, and then drink the vitamins and medicine,
Yeah.
and dance the baby Kael.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the baby Kael sleep. In the morning, no more!
Yeah.
No more yayay! And the baby Kael is now starting to walk.
Yeah.
Walking,
Watching.
and climbing, and jumping.
Yeah.
That is why you always drink vitamins so there is no more.
Clip on.
And,
Tap.
yes, and
And noise. And
Yeah.
no yeah.
and no yayay. Okay? Sip on, and,
Tap.
and,
Yeah. Will do. Obey and
yes.
grow.
Yes. So you become a strong, yes, a strong boy. You know. Okay. So next time when Mama gives you new vitamins, you drink.
Yeah.
Okay. And if the vitamins not good taste, you just drink
Yeah.
water.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's why you're a very big Kael.
Yeah.
You're a very big Kael. Look at Mama tummy. Your Mama's tummy is like this, and Kael is very big.
Yeah.
And the doctor said, "Wow, the baby Kael is very big."
Yeah.
Yeah.
You tip. You tip. You tip here.
Take him like this. Like this.
No. You tip here. Because the air.
Okay. Sit Kael. Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like this. So you are a baby. You're become a big Kael.
Yeah.
Kael, what sports you like to play?
A game. And a good. And
You like basketball?
yeah, I like basketball.
Basketball?
Basketball. And a good. And a big wood.
Next week, we go to the soccer field because no more yayay.
Yeah.
Huh? We watch the kids play soccer.
Yeah.
Football. Okay? The kids will play football.
Yeah.
Huh?
That one.
What's that one?
That kid.
The?
That kid. Oh.
Yeah.
Like that. That.
You know basketball?
Yeah.
What is the game of basketball?
It's a ball.
And shoot?
In the ring.
Yes! In the ring! But in the football, you kick the ball.
Yeah.
And then you put the ball in the ring also.
Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow we watch in the Agdaw. Say Agdaw.
I'm down.
Ay, no, it's in
Give
Agro.
me.
Agro.
Give me that.
What is that?
That kid.
Why?
That. Oh.
Why
give
will
me.
you use the stick?
Because I want to. Because I want to count the kid. To the new dada. I want to count that.
Yeah, but remember when you count the stick?
Yeah.
The yaya got hit.
Yeah.
Oh, so no, we'll not play the stick sa ha?
Yeah.
Because Dada
No.
was... Yes.
No, I want to double heal the kid.
And then,
And I will play with it.
no more playing tonight. You said to me last time, no playing in the night because it's night naman.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
And you remember the morning when we played the stick, your yaya was hit in the bubble burst.
Yeah.
So we don't play tonight, ha?
Yeah.
Because tomorrow the yaya will be okay,
Yeah.
and then you can now walk and use slippers. So
Yeah.
what is this? You have a 1 week lesson, Kyle, ha? When you go outside, you wear
People.
all always, okay?
Yeah.
Because if you will not, you will get yayay again like that next time.
Yeah, again.
And not that one on the other side not again. You want?
No.
Oh, see, no. You remember how hurt you were? How yayay, the yayay?
Yeah, I
You
remember
were
that.
you were crying.
Yeah, I
You want
tried.
that again?
No, I don't take again that.
Oh, so you will wear.
People.
Okay, you always wear slippers outside because there is the rocks, there is the small pieces,
And high.
yeah,
And
and
the water fire.
yeah, and there's also the snakes,
Yeah.
and the also the road is not it's rough. It will hit. Oh, look at Dada, oh. See Dada, oh. Oh, not wearing slippers. Oh.
Look,
Oh,
look,
you
look.
saw though? Dada did not wear slippers. Oh, yayay. For the...
Okay.
Oh, no. Ew, how's the taste?
I want to kick the dick.
Why?
Because yay
No, the yayay is already okay, but why did you kiss Dada's foot, man?
Because it's yay.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
And then
it's
the
okay.
yaya
How's
go
the
away
taste?
na, Dada.
How's the taste?
Yummy.
Yummy. Also, Mama kissed that already, so your yaya will go tomorrow, huh? Huh? Yaya will go tomorrow,
I
okay?
kick monkey. I kick.
Yeah.
I will kick.
But next time, I will teach you to wash monkey, ha? Because
Yeah.
monkey will smell monkey. You smell monkey. You smell monkey, be? You smell monkey, be? Oh, you hit your foot, man. Oh. You smell monkey, be? Oh, you smell monkey.
No, it's Tina because the bunny nanay.
Eh? Why is monkey smelling? Oh? You smell monkey. Monkey is like milk. Oh? You smell monkey. Oh, you smell the monkey butt. Oh, you smell the monkey hero. Smell. Oh, you smell monkey. Oh, you like to kiss monkey. Oh. You see now? You wash monkey tomorrow, huh? When you go take a bath, you wash with monkey, huh? Okay, we go to sleep.